Welcome to the mathematics class. Today we are going to start our first chapter, chapter number 1. The name of the chapter is Knowing Our Numbers. What is the name of the chapter? Knowing Our Numbers. A number is a mathematical value that is used to count and measure different objects. With the help of the number, we will be able to add, subtract, multiply and divide. Here we are going to learn about comparing numbers and ordering numbers. What is the first concept? Comparing numbers and ordering numbers. So what do you mean by comparing? Comparing means to check if a number is greater than, less than or equal to the other number. So that is, for comparing we use three symbols. That is greater than, less than and equal to. These are the three symbols used for comparing. Okay, now let us see some examples. See the first example is, so now here we are going to compare these two numbers. Here the number is 8 and here the number is 7. So 8 is greater than 7 or 7 is greater than 8? Yes. We know 8 is greater than 7. So here we use the symbol that's greater than. 8 is greater than 7. Okay. This is for comparing one digit number. Next example is how to compare the two digit numbers. See the example. Here 167 and 163. So compare these two numbers. 167 is greater than 163 or 163 is greater than 167? Yes, how to check? See the first digit, here it is 1, here is also 1. And see the next digit, if the two digits of the two numbers are same, then go for the next digit. First digits are same in the two numbers. Okay. So here it is 1, here is also 1. See the next digit, here it is 6 and the second digit also here it is 6. Then go for the third. If there are two digits here, first two digits are same for these two numbers. So then go for the next digit. Here it is 7, here it is 3. So which one is the greater, 7 or 3? Yes, 7 is greater than 3. So 167 is greater than 163. So you should know the places also. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Here it is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Hundreds and the tens place are same for the two digits. So then go for the ones place. Here it is 7, here it is 3. So we know 7 is greater than 3. So 167 is greater than 163. Okay? Understand? So see the next example, that is comparing 4-digit numbers. How to compare the 4-digit numbers? See the first digit of the two numbers, that is here it is 9 and here it is 6. So is 9 is greater than 6 or 6 is greater than 9? Yes, 9 is greater than 6. So from this we understand that 9556 is greater than 6559. So this is greater. Okay. Now see 4653 and 3654. Which one is the greater number? See that compare the first digits of two numbers. That is here it is 4, here it is 3. Which one is the greater? 4 or 3? Yes, 4 is greater. So this is greater number. Okay. Then come to the next number. 7227 and here also it is 7227. Both the numbers are equal. There is no difference between these two numbers. First digits are same and second digits are same and third digits are same and the fourth digits also same. That is, ones place is same, tens, 100, 1000. There is no difference between these two numbers. So that symbol is equal to. That is, both the numbers are equal. So here it is equal to 0. Okay. Now see the next example. That is comparing 5-digit numbers. So here we can see the first digit of each number. That is, here it is 8, here is also 8. See the next digit. So 8 is equal to 8. Then we need to compare, so that only check the next digit. Here it is 6, here it is also 6. There is no difference. And go for the next. 3, here is also 3. Then next digit. Here it is 5, here it is 6. Which one is the greater number? 5 or 6? Yes, 6 is greater. Yes, then compare this to which one is the greater number? 86,366 is greater than 86,356. So this is greater. This right symbol will like this. Okay, will be like this. And the next one. 23,544 and 23,500, same numbers. There is no difference between these two numbers. Okay, so the symbol is okay. Understand? See the first, compare the first digits. There is no difference. Here it is 2, here is also 2. Second digit, here it is 3, here it is 3. And third, 5 and 5. Here it is 4, here it is also 4. And the fifth digit, here it is 4, here is also 4. There is no difference between these two numbers, so it is equal, so they equal to symbol. And come to the next number. Here it is 39,129 and here it is 38,999. Which one is the greater number? Let us check. Let us see the first digit. 10,000 pigs. Here is 3, here is it is also 3. 10,000 pigs. And the 1,000 pigs, see here it is 9, here it is 8. Which one is the greater? 9 or 8? Yes, 9 is greater. So 39,129 is greater than 38,999. Hope it is clear. Okay, comparing the numbers up to 5 digit numbers. Okay, now we are going to learn about ascending order and descending order. Ascending order and descending order. So what do you mean by ascending and what do you mean by descending order? Ascending order means arrangement from the smallest to the greatest. Smallest number to the greatest number is ascending order, and descending order means arrangement from the greatest to the smallest. Arrangement from the greatest to the smallest is descending order. That is greatest to the smallest. Okay. Ascending means smallest to greatest, descending means greatest to smallest. Now let us see some examples related to ascending and descending order. So first, arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order. Let us take some examples, some numbers, that is 213, 230 and 245, 277 and 291. See, here 5 numbers. Now here you can see the numbers are arranged in ascending order. Yes? See, check this. 230. See, all the first digits of all the numbers of first digits are same. See the second digit. Here it is 1, here it is 3, here it is 4, here it is 7, here it is 9. So 1 is the smaller number. Okay? And the next smaller number is 3. And next is 4. And the next smaller number is 7. And last number 9. So this is the numbers are arranged in ascending order. Yes. Now how to arrange the numbers in descending order? This is I arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now descending order. How to arrange the numbers in descending order? I already told ascending order means that is smallest to greatest. Yes. Now descending order means it is greatest to smallest. So which one is the greater number? Yes, 291. And the next greatest 200, next is smallest. Greatest to smallest. So 277. Then the next one is 245. And the next one is 230. And the next one is 230. This is the arrangement of descending order. Okay, that is greatest to smallest number. Okay. So now let us check some example. That is, here I am going to take some numbers. Before that, we will see one. So the same example here, ascending means from the smallest to greatest, descending means greatest to smallest. So the last previous example. descending order 291, 277, 245, 230 and 213. This is descending order of arrangement. Okay. Now, shall we see one more example? Let us see one more example. That is 7,227, 8,931, 5,638, 5,639, 9,742. So there are 5 numbers are given. So we need to arrange these numbers into ascending and descending order. So how to arrange the numbers in ascending order? Ascending order of arrangement is first smallest to the greatest. Which one is the smallest number? See here 7, 8, 5, again 5, 9. So which one is the smallest number? Comparing these numbers, which one is the smallest number? Yes, comparing these numbers. Then first we compare first digits. So here 5 and 5 is the smallest number. Same numbers. Okay. Then go for the next. Here is also 6. Here it is also 6. Then go for the next. Here it is 3. Here it is 3. And see the last digit. Here it is 8. Here it is 9. So which one is the greater? Sorry, which one is the smaller? Here it is ascending order from the smallest to the greatest. So here the smallest number is this one. 8 is smaller than 9. So we take this one. 5,638. Then again 5,000. One more 5,000 is there. So 5,639. And then compare the other three. That is 7, 8, 9. See the first digits. Thousands place. So here 7,227 and 8,931 and the last one 9,742. This is the way of arranging the numbers in ascending order. And the next one is descending order. Descending order means largest to the smallest or greatest to the smallest. Greatest number is we know that is 9,742. Then the next greatest is 8,931. And the next greatest is 7,227. And the next one is 5,639. And the next one is 5,638. This is the descending order of arrangement. Okay, greatest to the smallest. Yes? Understand? Okay. How to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order? So now let us check which one is the greatest number from the given numbers. From the given numbers, that is from this to this, which one is the greatest number and which one is the smallest number? So which one is the greatest number? Yes, this is the greatest number. This is the greatest number and the smallest number is this is the smallest number. From the given numbers, we know 9,742 is the greatest number from the given numbers and smallest number is 5,638. And see, here you can see some example numbers here. That is 230, 230, 245, 277 and 291. So from this, which one is the greatest number? Yes, that is the greatest number is 291. And the smallest number 230. Okay, how to identify the greatest and the smallest number? Okay, so we studied about the comparing numbers and also the two ways of ordering numbers and the largest and the smallest numbers. Thank you.